Hello, are you looking for a solution to boost your energy, burn fat, and improve your health? Today, we're talking about Mitolyn, a revolutionary supplement that promises all this and more. But does it really work? Stay until the end to find out if Mitolyn is worth the investment and how to make your purchase with complete confidence. Mitolyn is a supplement created in the United States with the goal of improving mitochondrial health. But what does that mean? Simply put, our mitochondria are responsible for producing the energy our body uses daily. Ingredients like maqui berry, rhodiola rosea, and amla, found in Mitolyn, claim to increase the number of mitochondria, helping with fat burning, energy boosting, and even improving overall metabolism. Moreover, Mitolyn is 100% plant-based, free of harmful additives or genetically modified organisms. It adheres to strict manufacturing standards, ensuring the product's purity and effectiveness. A major highlight is its 90-day guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can request a full refund. But is that enough? Let's dive deeper into the benefits and expected results. So, what do users report? Many say they feel more energized and even notice significant abdominal fat reduction after a few weeks of use. However, like any supplement, results may vary from person to person, and it's essential to align its use with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Another advantage is the bonus materials included with larger packages, such as detox and personal renewal guides. So, is Mitolyn worth it? If you're looking for a natural solution to boost your energy and optimize fat burning, it's worth a try, especially with its 90-day guarantee. Want to secure your Mitolyn with total confidence? Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to access the special offer. Take care of your health and enjoy the benefits of a body full of energy and vitality.